Hi, I'm Hugh with the Bell Museum, and I'm going to help you build the Perseverance Rover.
First thing we want to do is get out all of the pieces, as well as the instruction booklet. I like to sort my pieces by color, but do whatever makes sense to you. If you're in a group, have one person dictate the directions to the rest of the group who will build. Since it's just me today, I'll be building by myself. Follow the instructions step by step to create your rover. I'll speed up time so you can see the finished project. There, my rover is all done and ready to explore Mars.